Alright guys, and welcome back to today's video. So on today's video guys, we are going to be talking about how to predict the 1% increase or decrease in the price of Bitcoin, and of course get rewarded for that. It is very simple guys, don't get it confused. When I say 1% increase in price of Bitcoin, what I mean is predict the smallest up movement of Bitcoin or down movement of Bitcoin and get rewarded in dollars. It is very simple guys, don't be afraid. I will take you by the hand and we'll walk you through all of them right here guys on this video. So thank you for tuning in today. I'm Crypto Mechanic, and on this video I do all things crypto, how to make money in crypto, how to get your problem resolved. If you have any problem about crypto, let me know in the comment section. Most importantly guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, I beg you, in the name of anything you are worshiping, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means the whole world to me guys. So right now let's get started right now. Okay guys, so when you look over here right now, you can see this is the current price of Bitcoin, which is around $97,277. Okay, so it is very simple like this. And of course, how about earning USDT by just predicting the price of Bitcoin? However, that's what we're going to be talking about right here. So on the 1 month price chart of Bitcoin, you can see Bitcoin has already made it to around 100 and of course $103, which is the all-time high for Bitcoin. So right now, let me not bore you up with all this. Let me go straight into the business of the day. So right now we are going to be talking about X-Radar. X-Radar is actually the token through which you are going to be rewarded with. So I'm going to be talking about X-Radar right here on this video. But right now, let me tell you how you can actually get started on getting to predict the price of Bitcoin and get you rewarded in dollars. Okay, so the first thing that I actually need you to do is simply go to your Play Store and of course go to the search section. Over here guys, on the search section, you go ahead and search for Coin Live. Okay, Coin Live guys. So over here guys, this is the app right here, Coin Live. You can see they said guess to earn. It is real and it's working right now. Let's get started. Just install this app and of course open it up. All right guys, so when this app opens up, this is the first thing that you are going to be seeing. So over here guys, you can see this is the first thing that will appear if you log in today, because today they introduce what we call lock and roll. So this actually has to do with our OKX wallet, and of course there's a price proof for that. Okay, but let me not bore you up, we'll talk about this later. Okay, so over here guys, once you open the app, this is what you're going to be seeing. So over here guys, to earn, it is very simple guys. It is very simple. So today the price of Bitcoin is actually ranging, and of course let me show you how this will end. So looking on your screen now, you can see the picture that I just posted, which actually shows the button that is actually supposed to be here. So we have some 2 buttons here, but of course I've actually predicted the price of Bitcoin already, which has not yet concluded on getting to decide whether I'm correct or not. But right now, let me now show you guys how it works. So over guys, on this app, once you were able to set up your account, all you need to do is simply predict where the price of Bitcoin is going on its next 1% increase in price. So right now guys, I've actually made my prediction, and of course I predicted that the price of Bitcoin is going down by 1%. So you can see right now, once you have done your prediction, you can see of course this is going to be showing up right here. You can see we have lose and we have win. Remember what I said earlier, that there are 2 buttons that are supposed to be showing up right here, which is the I think up or down button, okay, or bullish or bearish, something. It depends on the one that's showing on your own screen. So once you need to do, one is green and one is red. Once you click on the red one, which is supposed to be right here, it means that you are predicting that the price of Bitcoin is going down. And once you click on the green one, it means that the price of Bitcoin is going up. Okay, but the button is not here because I have already predicted, and my prediction has not yet come to determination, or has not yet been decided whether I'm right or wrong. That is why the buttons are not here. I believe you understand me right now. Okay, so right now let's get started. I predicted the price of Bitcoin is going down, and once you have made your prediction, this is going to be showing up immediately, which is the win and the loss. So if the price of Bitcoin, which is here right now, happens to go up till above this blue line, it means that I will lose because I say that the price of Bitcoin is going down. But if it happens that the price of Bitcoin goes down below this yellow line, it means that my prediction is correct and I am going to be winning some XR. So right now, let me break it down how this XR works. So previously, I have introduced this app to my community. Let me show you guys something real quick, guys. So over here, guys, on our Telegram account, so on this one right here, this write-up or on this update, you can see that this update was actually made on February 6th. February 6th. That was when I first introduced this app to my community. So if you're not yet on our community, you are missing a big time. Use the link on the video description to get started. Okay, so that was when I actually introduced this app to my community, and the app is still paying up till now. So over, guys, let's get started real quick. Okay, so once you create your own account, this is how it's going to be looking like. And once your prediction is estimated, then you are now going to be giving some amount of XR. XR is actually the token for this app, though sometimes we earn CLS, which is the coin life. We earn CLX, but there are uses of this CLS which I'll be explaining on my later videos, and there are some uses of this XR, which is the one that you can trade currently. Let's go and of course determine the price of XR right now. So right now over here, guys, on my CoinGecko, let me now check out XR. Oh, okay, XR, this is the XRadar. This is it, XRadar. Okay, so right now let me now show you guys the price of XR right here. You can see 1 XR is equivalent to $0.5, and on each prediction you make right here, you can see $0.57, approximately 0.6. Each prediction that you make right here, guys, on this coin life app actually earns you XR. And right here, guys, each prediction currently earns you 0.001 XR. Previously, while I introduced this app, one prediction actually earn you 0.1 XR, but after some certain period, after the airdrop, they actually changed it to 0.001 XR. So this is very easy. Every day you can make some at least 10 prediction to actually earn yourself a reasonable amount of XR. On this video, guys, I simply want to introduce to you guys this app. I'll be telling you guys how I was able to earn as much as this. Let me show you guys something right here. I'll be telling you guys how I was able to earn as much as this thing right here. Okay, so you can see $158. This is what I obviously earned from this app. A lot of you will say, yes, it is because you are inviting people. Yes, I do invite people, but that was not the only way that I actually earned. So after their first airdrop, they actually gave us they actually locked some of our token. Okay, they locked the token, and of course the token that they locked is actually what actually gave me this amount of XR, which I now have. I'll be telling you guys how you can actually be able to lock your own XR, so that each prediction that you make right here, guys, on Guess to Earn will earn you 0.1 XR instead of 0.00 XR, which I'll be telling you guys on my next video. So this video is just for me to actually introduce to you guys this predict to earn app, and of course for you to actually create your own account. On my next video, I'll be telling you how to actually boost your balance, how you can make use of the CLX which you are earning, and also how you can be able to predict correctly. And most importantly, I'll be telling you guys some other stuff about this app which is going to be helping you make a whole lot of money, guys. So thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you guys as soon as I have these updates ready to be shared. Thank you, and I will talk to you guys very, very soon. Stay tuned and stay sharp. Wait for my updates. Thank you, and do have a lovely day.